All right, here we go. Lucy filled her gas tank 3 times last week. Here are the amounts of gas she bought in gallons. All right, what is the total amount of gas Lucy bought last week? A sum problem, so it's just 5 plus 17.3 plus 9.89. So remember, all I'm doing is I'm lining stuff up based on those decimals. The decimal is always going to be in that same spot, and I'm just filling out zeros for the empty spaces, which we're always allowed to do. And now we want total amount, means we just got to add everything up. So now we got 0 plus 0 plus 9 is 9, 3 plus 8 is 11, carry the 1, and don't forget to bring down that dot as well in the addition problem. 6, 13 plus 9 is 22, carry the 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. So we've got a total of 32.19 gallons.